Emma Stone's look from the Oscars, and you bet we're going to recreate it right now. Here we go. A full product list will be listed on my blog, TheBanannieDiaries.com. First up, we're doing a little skincare. I love the brand Coco Kind, and I'm going to be using 2 products from their brand to get started. This is the Ceramide Barrier Serum, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft for a long period of time. It's perfect to get my skin ready for a makeup application. Also from Coco Kind, this is the Texture Smoothing Cream. I love the moisture that this product brings to my skin, and it feels so fresh and refreshing when I apply it. Doing things a little bit differently, I'm going to use this Kylie Cosmetics highlight along with this Carla Beauty Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to apply the highlight as eyeshadow. Emma's look is very clean and fresh-faced, so I just wanted a nice shimmer. Next up, I'm going to do some eyeliner, and I'm just going to use this brown eyeshadow with a eyeliner brush to apply it. Up next, I'm going to be using one of my favorite primers. This primer is by Eyes, Lips, and Face, and it always holds my makeup on so well. I just did a nice even layer over my skin, and for today's look, because it is more on the natural fresh face side, I'm using a BB cream by CoverGirl. This BB cream is very light on my face, which is why I like to use this one. It helps to cover any redness and minor blemishes that are on my face, and it is exactly what I'm looking for this specific look. Now, even though this BB cream says it has a matte finish, I'm still going to go in and go for a good amount of setting powder to really make sure that this stays in place for the whole day. I've always loved this pink setting powder by Kylie Cosmetics. Next up, I'm going to do my brows, so I'm just going to brush them up here with this Wet n Wild pencil. I'm only using the brush though because I'm going to use a pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills to really darken the color of my brow for today's look. Side note, I always suggest having a good handheld mirror, especially when you want to get in with some very precise details. Next up, I'm using this powder bronzer from Kylie Cosmetics with an e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. The Orgasm blush by NARS is always one of my favorites. This is such a pretty color, and it adds a natural highlight to the look as well. This is actually my first time using this Act Natural brown mascara from ColourPop. I wanted to use the brown mascara again just to keep this look very simple and clean. I am moving on to the lips already. This is the Valentine lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this to line and fill in my lips. Next up, I'm using this Honest Beauty liquid lipstick to cover over the liner to create the perfect pink. Now let's take my hair down and show you the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in to my Emma Stone inspired makeup tutorial. Again, I used the photo of her makeup for the Oscars as the inspiration for this look. Follow me and stay tuned for more.